Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Seems to be a little complex today. So I'll make it with divs only. So B and let's make it A comma B. Now position fixed because obviously we need to reveal where it is, and also I'll give it rotate 45 degrees. Okay, let's also change the background color right here. So I'll use A to create this bigger div, which is obviously of a darker color, and I think I need to make the size a little small. 80 may work, I think. So 80 and 80. I'll also give the background color to make it a little easier for me. So this is the background color. Let's paste it. Ow, I forgot to write background. Okay, so now I'll switch on the difference and let's now give it margin. I'll give it 100 and 100. So we are quite much at a perfect point. What if I do 150? Slight difference, 151, 152. I need to bring it a little down. So 1, 2, and yeah, it looks at the perfect place. Just let me check once. Yeah, it's the best place we can place it on. So now it's turn for B, and for B I would be, obviously the size is half than the bigger div, so it will be 40 and 40. So width 40, height 40, and background will be this color. Let's paste it. Okay, now again I'll give a margin which is 100 and 100. I think the value here will be 102. No, there would be a different one. We'll see. First let me place it where we have to put it. So 170, again 171, 172. Yeah, it's quite perfect. 92, 93 and 94. Yeah, let me switch off the difference for once, and yeah, it's perfectly where it should be. Now I'll use box shadow to obviously give it the perfect shadows, like to make all these 5 remaining ones. So I'll first go for this one, which I think would be on 64Q and 64Q. Let's paste the color. Quite near 74 and 74. No, what if I were do 84 and 84? A little bit difference, 85, 85. Let me switch off the difference. Yeah, a little off. Maybe I have to put it also at 85, then only it will be perfect. Let me check. '84 and 84. Still, we'll see afterwards if any change is required. So now I'll give an like I know this has to be on the same line, so I'll put 84Q first, and then I'll give a random negative value because it is on the negative side, and the value will be, I know, let's half it, 42Q. Oh, that's perfect somehow. And now I'll just do the exact opposite, and most probably it will also work. Yeah, it did. Okay, so we have got all the bluish colored ones. Now it's turn for these purple ones. So like we know they would be on the same line. So first of all, I'll give the value of around, first let's do minus 42Q, and let's now put 42Q. Somehow the estimations are being correct, which is weird. And now let's do the exact reverse, 42Q, and paste. So it looks perfect. It's a 99.9% match. And honestly, I do not even have the slightest clue what the difference seems to be. Okay, so this value is wrong, which means there is a problem with this one, right? And also this looked a little off than everything else. So maybe this is the one where we have to change the value maybe. What if I do 43? 42.5? 42.5? Like whenever we have to rotate and then use box shadows, the things get too much complex, honestly. No, it rather decreased the score, which isn't a good indication. Like, let me open my solutions and then load code, and I know what we can do, honestly. Let's first give it a better location maybe. So 85, does it change it at all? It is still 47, which is a good indication. Let's also do the same here. And it is still giving the same result, which again is a good thing. Okay, so this is the only thing with the problem now. Rest all has been sorted. So what is the problem in it? Maybe with 85 we have to change the value a little bit. 41, 42, 43. Okay, let's give it a try. No, not, I wasn't supposed to click the top solutions. I had to click submit. I just wish it works. Wait, 44. Although I don't think it should have a 44 here. 43. Let's also do 43 here. Like, just see this, there is a little bit difference which we need to remove from there. So 42 still has that difference, 43 removes on the one side, and 42 removes it the most. But it's quite confusing that how we can remove it. Let me try one thing. 42.5. Wait. I accidentally changed a value that was not supposed to be changed. But yeah. Here has to be 43. That's sure. But here we can't use 43 because it gives us a little space, which is weird. Why is it happening like this? Like, it is clearly visible that 43 can't be used in such a way to get the proper answer. Like, by simply saying we can see, okay, multiple things need a little shift. So let's first change this a little bit to make it, yeah, made it 93. Also 101, 102, 103, 102.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I'm out of ideas, honestly. So I'll show the solution tomorrow. If I make one, or at least I'll show the top solution and give a little bit explanation. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.